Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in this video I want to talk to you about the weekend gap Forex Robot and how you can get it for free as a download. Now, we have had the weekend gap EA running for about 6 years, and we've decided to make it available as a free download to traders who have never traded robots before, for them to experience how to load a robot into their MT4 platform, activate the robot and trade it. So it's like a free trading course that is developed by you downloading this free EA. Also, it's a novelty EA because it only trades the weekend gap, the difference between the Friday price and the Monday price. So it's quite a unique little novelty EA, and it will be really nice for somebody to learn to trade robots using this particular robot. Now, we have a special website for the weekend gap trader, and here it is. So please go and have a look at it. I'll give you the link to this website in the description and in the first comment of this video. But there you are. There's a nice video that shows you how it works. There's a PDF that you can go and download, and it talks about how the EA works from a technical perspective. And it says the mother of all market behaviors because it's been so consistent over the years. So let's scroll down a little bit more, and reasons why you should add this trading tool to your collection. As I say, if you don't have it, as an experienced trader, add it. But if you are new to trading, load this EA and start playing around with it. And as you can see, it's done pretty well in recent competitions that we held for our trading robots. And here we are. You can see it used to sell for $129. In fact, it still does. There you are. If you want to go and buy it, you can. But it is now freely downloadable, and I'll show you where to get that download. Okay, so if you come to our forum, the Expert Forex forum, you will find under this link, and I will again post the link in the description and the commentary of the videos, but here is the download facility. There you can go and download the EA. We do have a club-like facility where you can get additional support for the particular EA. In other words, strategies for the next trade, settings, a free Udemy course, and also fresh optimization settings. So there is an additional one. This is a paid one, but it's very cheap. It's about $15 a month, and that will also get, but you don't need to join that. If you know a bit about robots, you can just use the robot on its own. It comes with a detailed PDF user manual, so it tells you all the settings are explained in that document. And here are some of the most recent results. In fact, those are from the 1st of February this year, so they are fresh. And you can see that we have only had two negative deals out of the 10 deals that took place over this weekend. So the answer is, if you want to get into robot trading, here's an opportunity to download an actively traded robot and participate in the trading every weekend. I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.